Republic of Congo. National Assembly. Honorable Ferréol CP Gassackys, Second Vice President, Foreign Affairs Committee. Brazzavile, July 14, 2023. To the Honorable President of the National Assembly. Subject: filing of the so-called Recognition, Reconciliation and Return Bill. Honorable President, I have the honor and the pleasure to transmit for competence, to the Office of the National Assembly, a bill relating to the recognition by the Republic of Congo, of the categorization, victims, to be applied to the millions of Africans deported from Africa for the Caribbean and the Americas, where they were reduced to slavery, and for the millions of orphans, widows and the elderly who remained in Africa during the transatlantic slave trade. Wishing you good reception, please accept, Honorable President, the expression of my highest consideration. Honorable Ferréol CP Gassackys.
Comme nation, en Afrique du Nord, il y a des gens qui mais lui, il était vraiment singulier dans son.
Oui.